Yo, what's up guys? And today, we're talking about Northport Batampier, or shall we say, pure blends na. And I think this is sure kasi makikita nyo naman. Dalawang malaking balita yung meron ngayon. And this is all about Coach Bonitan and yung player na dinagdag nila sa kanilang roster. Okay, let's start with the first one. Kinumpirma mismo ni Coach Bonitan na he is personally stepping away from the franchise at hindi lang coaching position ang tinanggihan niya. Ayon sa mga report, inoffer sa kanya yung head coach position, tinanggihan niya. Inoffer ang team manager role, he turned it down. Pati position bilang board governor, tinanggihan din niya. He's just waiting for the transition of Northport to be na maging pure blends, tapos aalis na siya sa franchise. Nasa peak na sana yung team niya so bakit siya aalis? So especially with the Arvin Tolentino era. So sabi niya, due to personal reasons. Pwede natin irespeto yun Baka gusto niyang mag-focus sa ibang bagay, or kailangan ng break from the PBA grind, or baka maging totoo yung post ni Sir Snow Badwa na pupunta siya ng Ginebra. So for me, ang isang malaking angulo dito is maybe he's giving the new management a completely clean slate. Parang yung bagong may-ari si Mr. Brian Calantoc, yung bagong head coach si Jonadel Cardel ay makapagsimula from the scratch. Walang anino ng old management, walang baggage, pure, ika nga parang pangalan ng team nila. So yung signing ni Jonadel Cardel, so medyo sketchy yung sinabi ko last video, pero ano naman yun hindi natin maiwasang isipin yun kasi yun nga, galing siyang Terra Firma Jeep. So with the departure of Coach Bonitan, baka dun lang sa coach talaga sila kumuha. Kasi may ka-chat rin ako na player. Basta kung sino yun, this pure blends is legit. They will try to contend. So tingnan natin kung totoo talaga, and makikita naman natin yun Tsaka si Bonitan, player niya yung may-ari or yung president ng Pure Blends na si Brian Calantoc. So akala nga natin dyan lang siya, pero umalis siya, diba? So with that, mawawala na naman yung accusations natin na kung magiging farm ba sila. So sana talaga hindi. Yun yung wini-wish natin ngayon para bumalik yung sigla natin kahit papaano. And ayun, nagdagdag na naman sila ng player with Aljun Melesio. He signed a 1-year deal with Pure Blends, pero ang pinaka-importante dito is hindi lang yung pagpirma niya. So tingnan niyo yung picture, kasama niya na sa signing yung bagong president na si Brian Calantoc at ang team manager na si Aldrain Anglim. So tama ba yung pag-pronounce ko? This is the first official public photo nila with a player. So what does this mean? So this is a statement signing. Sinasabing bagong management talaga, sure na yung Pure Blend. So here we are, eto na talaga. So bubuo na sila ng team na makikita natin to contend. This is also a perfect signing para kay Aljun Melesio kasi sa Terra Firma Jeep, hindi natin alam yung direction ng team na yon. Tapos with the departure of Evan Nelly na napunta ng Phoenix, magkakaroon agad siya ng spot sa rotation. So kayo ba, convinced na they will be a contender or they will not be a farm team with the departure of Coach Bonitan? So let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Agun Hoops. See you in the next upload. Bye bye.